Yeah, good day, learners. You're welcome to class today. Today we shall be teaching profit or loss percentage. Remember, we talked in the last class we talked about profit and loss. Profit is the extra amount you make after selling a product or an item you bought at a higher price than you bought it. Why a loss is the money that is lost after selling a product or an item at a lower price than you bought it. Now we're going to profit percentage and loss percentage. Now the formula for profit percentage is profit divided by cost price. This CP is cost price times 100 all over 1% or 100%. While loss percentage is just equal to loss divided by cost price times 100%. That's 100 over 1. Now, example, we have Malam Audu bought a wristwatch for 5,000 naira and sold it for 3,000 naira after it developed a battery problem. Selling something that you bought at a higher price and then uh selling something you bought something at a higher price and then sold it at a lower price. That's what happened to Malam Audu right here. Now, calculate his profit or loss. We don't know if he made a profit or a loss, so we're going to know here. Then B is percentage profit or loss. Now, our cost price is the amount that Malam Audu bought the wristwatch. So Malam Audu bought the wristwatch for 5,000 naira, so the cost price is 5,000 naira, and sold it for 3,000 naira, so the selling price is 3,000 naira. So from what we can see here, the cost price is higher or greater than the selling price. And what I told you in the last class, when cost price is greater than selling price, then that means the business person or the person selling has made a loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, a loss has been made. So here we are calculating for a loss and not profit. Not profit. So we are calculating for a loss here. So the loss here is cost price minus selling price. Our cost price is 5,000, selling price is 3,000. So 5,000 minus 3,000 gives us 2,000. So from there we can now calculate our loss percentage. So loss percentage is loss divided by cost price times 100% or 100 over 1. So here our loss once again is 2,000 naira divided by cost price, which is 5,000 naira, times 100 all over 1. And when you have something like this zero we cancel this zero we cancel the next zero up here. Now we have another zero, so another set of zeros. So we have this zero cancel this zero. So then we have 2 divided by 5 times 100 over 1. So here we have 2 all over 5 times 100 all over 1%. So because we are left with 2 here and we are left with 5 here, because 3 zeros have cancelled one another here, so we are left with 2 over 5 times 100 all over 1. So now you have 5 here. 5 can go in 100 here. 5 can go in 2 without leaving the remainders, but 5 can go in 100. So you have 5 here, 1. 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 0 is 0. So we have what do we have left? This is 2, this is 20. So we're going to have 2 times 20 all over 1%. So you have 2 times 20. This is 1 over 1. So you don't put, when it's 1 times 1 like this, you don't have to put it again. So 2 times 20 gives you 40%. So our answer is 40% loss. So that is the loss percentage is 40%. Now we go to the next question. It says Eze bought 8 oranges from the market for 50 naira. Eze bought 8 oranges from the market for 50 naira. All the 8 oranges were bought for 50 naira and sold each orange for 10 naira. That is 1 he sold them for 10 naira. Now calculate, did he make a profit or a loss? Then is percentage profit or loss? So first of all, we need to find out if he made a profit or a loss. Now the cost of eight oranges is 50 naira. So from what we have here, the cost of all the 8 oranges is 50 naira. While that is the cost price. While the selling price for one is 10 naira. So for 8 it's going to be 10 naira times 8, which gives you 80 naira. So he bought all the 8 oranges for 50 naira and sold all of them for 80 naira. So here we can see that the selling price is greater than the cost price. The selling price is greater than the cost price. So when the selling price is greater than the cost price, a profit has been made. You can see he has made a profit. Wow. All right. Now the formula for profit. So our A, the profit equals selling price minus cost price. Our selling price 18 naira minus 50 naira, the cost price. So gives us 30 naira. So from there we can use this profit to calculate the profit percentage or percentage profit. So percentage profit, once again, the formula is profit divided by the cost price times 100% or 100 over 1. So the profit is 30 naira divided by 50, which is the cost price, times 100 over 1. Now we go straight ahead. There's 1 0 here, there's 1 0 here. So this 0 here, we cancel this 0 here. Goes. So we have 3 over 5 times 100 over 1. Now this number below can divide the 100 here. You can't divide this 3, but you can divide this 100. So you have 5 here, 1, 5 in 10, 2, 5 in 0 gives you 0. So you have 3 here left, multiply by 20 here. Or you can say all over. The two numerators will multiply each other all over, which is 1 times 1. At the end of the day, you're still going to have 3 times 20, that's which is percentage. So you are still going to have 3 times 20, which gives you 60%. So the profit percentage is 60%. Okay, so thank you for being a part of this class. See you next time. All right, bye.